When a is something other than 1, we have a little extra step to do in order to factor this thing properly. What we have to look at is we have to take the first number, which is 2 here, and c, which is 6. We have to times those together. So 2 times 6 is equal to 12. Working with that one right here, what we have to think about is what adds to give you 7, but multiplies to give you 12. Taking a look at 12, you know that 1 times 12 is equal to 12. 2 times 6 is equal to 12. 3 times 4 is equal to 12. Well, 1 plus 12 is 13. 2 plus 6 is 8. 3 plus 4, however, that is 7. And if you multiply those, that will give you 12. So the next step here is to split this appropriately. Alright, so you're going to have 2x squared. We write it out. The middle term is going to be split into 3 and 4. Doesn't really matter which order you put them in. So in this case, I'm just going to leave it as a 3x plus 4x plus 6. Okay, after that, what we can do is we can group these. Group the first two, and then group the second two. What can we take out of the first bracket? Well, you can take out an x. So do that right now. And what you're left with is 2x plus 3 in brackets. With the next bracket, well, you get 4x plus 6. What you can take out of that is a 2. So take out a 2, and what you're left with is 2x plus 3. You notice now we have something in common with both of these. Take that whole bracket out, 2x plus 3. And what you're left with is this and this right here. That will be part of a new bracket, which is going to be x plus 2. Next up, we've got b. We got 5x squared plus 7x plus 2. First off, what you want to do is you want to multiply the first term and the last term together. So 5 times 2 is equal to 10. So the question is, what do we add to get 7, but multiply to give you 10? This one's pretty easy. We've already kind of figured that one out, because 5 plus 2 is 7, but if you multiply those together, you get 10. Now that you've got that, let's split the middle term apart. So it's going to be 5x squared plus 5x plus 2x plus 2. Now we can group them. I'm going to group the first two. I'm going to group the last two. We can pull out a 5 and an x out of the first group. So 5x, and what you're left with is x plus 1. In the last group, you got 2x plus 2. Take out a 2. And what you're left with is x plus 1. Now you've got something in common here. It's that x plus 1. Take that out. Now you've got x plus 1. And you're going to have everything left over in the brackets. And that's going to be the 5x and the 2. 5x plus 2.